this is Saurav. In this video, we are going to create one AI app that can send your email using voice command. We will add your images, subject, body and everything in this email, and you can send this email to anyone. You can schedule your email also. So let me show you the demo of this app first, then we will create this app. We can see that's our app here. Here you can see the Ali and 3 buttons, call Ali, manual and avatar. So whenever you want to use the voice command, so you need to use the call Ali button. So you can use your voice command to control this overall app. So you can send email, you can add subject, body and image also. Yes, you can add the image also using your voice command. So and whenever you click on manual, so let me just click on that, and you'll find your email, subject and message. So it means you can fill all this information manual, and we can add the insert image. Use this button to add your image. These two things like status and error message. So whenever you send the email, so this will return the in a status is true if your email is sent. Otherwise this will display false, and if there is false, then this will display some message also. So maybe you will get the problem, like maybe your credential is problem or something else. So now let me just use the avatar. Go to the avatar, click on avatar, and let me just click on the call Ali button.
Hello sir, how can I help you?
Please send the email.
Okay, to whom you want to send email?
Email ID, the coding bus.
What is the subject of your email?
Subject, message from Saurav.
Tell me the text in your email.
Hello Saurav, TCB, how are you?
Do you want to attach any image?
Yes, image.
Opening gallery.
See, that's your gallery here. So you can add any image here. So let me just put one image, that one.
Do you want to send this email now or later?
Later.
So at what time I have sent this email?
20 seconds. Let me just complete that 20 seconds. Then after this will send the image. Let me just go to the manual. Here you'll find what will be sent after this 6 second. Message from Saurav, this is, and status and error message. So you will find the everything here. Let me just wait. Status, it takes some time because we have added the image, so it takes some time to update your status and error message here. So wait some seconds for this. See, true, it means your message is sent to your user. It means the coding bus @gmail.com. Yeah, I have received that message. See, Rahul Verma, message from Saurav. Hello Saurav, TCB, how are you? See, I have received that message, and I think I have received the image also. Let me just open my email. See, let me see. Yes, I have received that image also, JPG. You can open this image. Yeah, that's open, right? So it means using this app, you can send the message. So we need to use here ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. So we need to click on start new project, and my project name is AI email 2, and that's my app name, and click on OK. Now that's our first screen. So I'm going to use here 3 to 4 things, simple, and I'm going to use here at least 2 layout. So first I'm going to drag and drop your vertical arrangement 1, and then 2, and one more thing is you go to the user interface and drag and drop your web viewer. And oh sorry, this is the time picker, sorry, web viewer, this one, right? Now we need to add one label here, simple. Now let me make it simple. Click on that vertical arrangement and make this one is with its fill parent like this, and we need to add one button here like this, and I'm going to redesign this button, like background color I'm going to make it pink and make it font bold, and change the text to see call Ali like this, and click on that vertical arrangement and make this align should be in a center and horizontal should be in a center. Now click on that call Ali button and make this width at least like 50% like this. Now copy paste this 3 times. Call Ali, button 2. On that button 2, you just write your manual, and in that third, you can just say avatar like this. Now we have 3 buttons. Now, and in that vertical arrangement, we will display our field. Let me just hide this web viewer for right now. Now, in that text box in the top, we just add the value as 0, and you can make font size around 20, not 20, at least 50, and click on that screen and make this one in the center, like where is this, in the center, align vertical to center, align horizontal to center like this. Now we need to click on that vertical arrangement and make this with this fill parent and hide as fill parent like this. Now we need to add some text field here. So you'll find here that text box here, like this one, and another one is 2, and another one is 3. So in that first text box, I'm to add some hint text. See the hint text, this one. Just change your email. Okay, so this will add the email like this. In second is like subject, and in the third we will add the body, but we have to make it like a larger, so just say the body or message is fine. Now in that here, click on that vertical arrangement and make it in a center, and in this center, and make sure in the third box, text box, make it multi-line checked, and make this height at least 20% minimum. It's fine, but I am to make this width is also some little bit like 70%. It look fine? Yes, it look fine. So we will make all these width is 70% like this, and make this one width is 70%, not automatic, like this. Cool. Now I'm going to change that design vertical arrangement. So what I will do here, I'm using here color hunt, colorhunt.co to use the colored plate. So you can use any colored plate, but make sure you use only one color plate. So I'm to use this one. So I'm to change that background color to make it like, go to default, custom, here, this one, like this. And here I'm to use another color plate. So go to default, custom, use another one like this one. Let me just try how it's work, how it's look. Yeah, fine. Now we need to change that whole our screen color also. So I'm to make it a little bit like light color for screen. So it's like background color for custom for this one. Cool. Now for that black color, you can make it black and another color as you wish. Now that's our design. Now what I will do here, that is the fine. Now we need to add some label. Like for this label will display the status of email, or email, if our email is sent, then this will display the true, otherwise this will display the false. And another label if we will got some error. So let's see, display error. So this will display your error message. Suppose maybe your authentication is wrong or something else, whatever. So I'm to make both thing like a white text, like this. Cool. Now we need to add one image. It means that Ali. So I'm to hide this vertical arrangement for now, and I'm to add one. I'm to display this one, not add, just visible on, like this. Now we have to add image here. So click on that upload file. I already have one image, like browse, and just browse this and add one image first. It's GIF, and then again click on upload file, can browse, and then just add one more image here, this one, image 1, and then okay. Cool. Now we have two images. So in the initial stage, what we need to do here, go to the block section here, and whenever our screen will initialize, then what we will do here, I'm going to add here WebViewer. Why this is blurred? I don't know why. And actually it's look like blurred. I don't know why, but maybe that I'm using here the Mozilla. Maybe if you're feeling also look like it's blurred, so let me just comment. So in the next video I will not use the this Mozilla browser, but it's too fast as compared to Chrome, really. So let me just use here one, this, go to URL, this one, call this here like this, and here I'm going to use here one text and this one field, and in that field we have to add simple line, and that is I'm going to copy paste this simple. This is the file, okay, column / app inventor, then assets, then make sure this one tag, and that / then your image2.gif. So I'm going to make it image1.png in the initial stage. I will give you that URL, that's your image name, okay, but this should be as it is, this one. I will give you that text in the description, don't worry. Now this is fine. Whenever our screen will initialize, then this will display here. So go to the design, and whenever we see speak, so we will change our URL. It's simple. Now we will hide this and we will display this one. Cool. So I think that is the overall design, but we need to add some extension like go to the drawing animation, sorry, in media, and you will find text to speech. Drag and drop this here. We will call it text to speech. Whenever our screen will initialize, or you can say whenever we call the click on that button, it means call Ali button. It means which button? Button 1. So go to the block 1. So whenever someone click on that button 1, it means call Ali button. So we will use here like text to speech and call message, and you can say something like hello sir, how may I help you, or whatever you want. Okay, cool. Go to the design here. So that we have completed the design, we need to use one more extension here. I will show you in the next video how we can use that extension and how we can use the all that thing like AI thing, everything. So in the next tutorial we will learn about the code part. So thank you so much for watching this video. Just comment on the video if this video is blurred or not, or it's fine, because it's this browser is really fast for me. So just comment on the video, and yeah, I'm still working on this app. If you have some suggestion, so just comment on the video. I have implemented a lot of suggestion, like you just say like please sir add the image part, please sir add the manual part also. So I have added everything. So if you have more suggestion for this, just comment on the video. In the next video we will learn about the code. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.